This is the lower cowl spoiler I got off Alibaba. So he's got that middle bracket that just bolts to each fairing piece, tightens it all up. Still plenty of room to change the oil. Don't take anything off. This side, you got a bracket here that'll connect to the horn. Hangs down to there. And there's a bracket down in here. You just loosen up basically two of these bolts like this. Slide that bracket in there. And I'll hook to probably that. And here's another bolt there. There's a bracket in there. It's basically 3 brackets on each side. I mean, that thing is pretty solid. This side, this top bracket here, comes with a new bolt and a little spacer. There's a bracket here. Goes to 2 bolts that face up. One of the bolts has an O-ring on it. So I took the O-ring off, put the bolt, bracket, spacer, then O-ring. So the O-ring's the first thing that goes back in. Then you can see this bracket right here. You just take those 2 off, put this bracket on. You gotta pop like all these little rubber bushings into the fairing piece. And everything's threaded. It's not too bad. It works out. I really like it. I scuffed it up, dropping it on the ground after I unboxed it, but you know, that's my fault. I haven't tried to buff those little scratches out yet. Yeah, it's coming along. This is my first attempt at wrapping something. Don't be too critical. Alright, let's head out. I threw this little windshield on to cover up the phone a little bit. See if I like it at all. I had it on for a while before. I got the short one too, but you know, put stuff on, take stuff off. Nothing's permanent. Let's try it out.